Okay, I know better, and I knew this would happen. Triangulation will wear you out. It will wear you out and make you really busy. Give you an example. The Ukraine team books calls for a client, and the client, one of the CSRs, had an issue with the Ukraine team, something to do with they got the address wrong, they told us the customer had a service agreement and they didn't, whatever. Conflict between a CSR and another CSR. The CSR emails the boss emails me, and I call the boss and I say, hey boss, this is triangulation, we really don't need to do this. I'm going to go ahead and investigate this since I'm involved, but we're going to have a meeting about if a CSR has an issue with somebody on the Ukraine team, the CSR needs to go directly to the person on the Ukraine team and work it out. Well, here's why, because here's what's happened. So Roger, I'm busy, man. Anybody else busy, raise your hand. Roger gets in touch with Ann and says, Ann, here's the issue. Can you find this call? We got thousands of calls. She finds the call, listens to the call, sends it to me, and says, I can't see anything wrong with the call. So then I listen to the call, and then I get the CSR, Tawia, who's involved, and talk to him, and we listen to the call. And so at this point, we don't know what the issue is. So here's the deal with triangulation. A has a problem with B, but A goes to C. Then C goes to B for A, and then gets a different story. Same thing happened here. And then C, Roger, is going to have to go back to A, da-da-da-da. I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do now at this point, because I allowed myself to get hooked into it, I'm going to talk to A, and I'm going to say, no, I'm going to talk to B. I'm going to say, B, go directly to A. Y'all work this out. And B is Tawia. Tawia didn't know anything about this till I brought it to attention. So Tawia is going to go directly to the CSR, and they're going to work this out together. Then I'm going to go directly to the CSR and say, when you have a problem with somebody on the Ukraine team, don't go to Jim, don't come to me, go directly to the person on the Ukraine team that you got the conflict with. Y'all work it out. If you can't work it out, then come to me, and we three will work it out. That's the healthy way to do it. Now, see, I got dragged into this. I allowed myself to do it. It's my responsibility not to do that. Hey, are you doing this too? Stop, man, stop. It'll make you really busy. Hey, I hope this helped you. God bless. Subscribe to my channel. Hit this bell to be notified when a new video comes out.